Jesus freak here. In the traditional translation of the Apostles' Creed, we have the phrase, he descended into hell. More modern translations say he descended to the dead. More like he descended to the depths. Now, why would I even mention that? Apostles' Creed isn't itself theopneustic. It's not itself scripture. Well, there's been some controversy over this particular phrase. I think most of it has to do with the problem with a lot of older English Bibles. Don't differentiate between Sheol / Hades, Gehenna. The Latin word is inferos, which is related to the Latin equivalent of Hades, which is infernus. Now, the question would be, I've said before that all of the Apostles' Creed is tied to Scripture. What's the Scripture here? Ephesians 4:9. That would be... I'm going to start from verse 8, go down to 10, clarify this. Wherefore he saith, when he ascended up on high, he led captivity captive, gave gifts unto men. Now that he ascended, what is it but that he also descended first into the lower parts of the earth? He that descended is the same also that ascended up far above all heavens, that he might fill all things. Verses 9 and 10 are parentheses. So, what's being referred to here is sometimes referred to as the harrowing of hell. Yes, I just said it. The harrowing of hell actually is scriptural. And here's where it's described. The souls of the righteous dead from before Christ he took them out of Hades, out of the underworld. Thus, he descended first into the lower parts of the earth, and thus he led captivity captive. So this idea, people might think it's controversial, it's scriptural. While Jesus was physically dead, he was in the realm of the dead. To conquer death, and to rescue, in a word, I can't think of any better way to say it, to liberate those who were there, because before Jesus died, all there was hate, Sheol. But now he took them to heaven with him. When he ascended up on high, he led captivity captive. You need a reference Bible. Because I haven't memorized all these citations. This is reference Psalm 16. Ascended on high, those led captivity captive, those received gifts from men. Jesus freak out.